How to send picture as snaps on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Simply open Snapchat and click any video. And then click on plus button at left side and you'll be able to see import media on the right side. Click on import media and select the snap you want to send. Then simply delete the first clip, which is the video. After you have done that, click on preview and you can also add filters or simply trim the video second and then press on send to and send to people as a Snapchat. This is how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.